Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at something truly special for street photographers, travel creators, and anyone who wants pro-level images in a pocket-sized form. This is the Ricoh GR IIIx HDF compact portable digital camera, and trust me, this kit gives you everything you need to shoot right out of the box. The GR IIIx stands out because Ricoh packed a large APS-C sensor inside a tiny, stealthy body, giving you DSLR quality images without the weight. The star here is the 26.1mm f2.8 GR lens, equivalent to a classic 40mm focal length, making it perfect for portraits, street shots, lifestyle moments, and everyday storytelling. It's sharp, fast, and iconic for a reason. The new HDF highlight diffusion filter switch allows you to instantly soften highlights for a dreamy cinematic look straight from the camera. No editing required. Inside, you get the hybrid autofocus system with phase detection, ensuring snappy locking even in fast-moving moments. Its high ISO performance helps you capture clean images at night or indoors. Built-in shake reduction keeps your shots stable when shooting handheld. And the compact magnesium alloy body feels premium yet feather-light, perfect for EDC creators. This bundle makes it even better: a 64GB high-speed memory card so you never run out of space, a compact camera bag for protection, a flexible tripod for stable shots anywhere, a full cleaning kit, a card wallet, USB card reader, and a lens cap to keep that GR lens pristine. Everything is included so you can shoot instantly. Whether you're capturing travel moments, creating POV street photography, vlogging, or taking cinematic lifestyle shots, the GR IIIx HDF gives you that signature Ricoh look: crispy detail, deep tones, and a film-like aesthetic that creators love. If you want a stealthy, high-performance camera that fits in your pocket yet produces magazine-quality images, this is the one. Check the link below to grab yours, and if you enjoy content like this, make sure to buy through the link and subscribe for more daily tech reviews.